What's up, bro?
My man.
How you doing?
Yes, sir.
Nice to
Welcome,
finally
bro.
meet you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
How was your flight, man?
Amazing. What the fuck was the idea behind this?
I left corporate America, man. I was up for a promotion. I got the promotion. They only gave me a $2,000 raise. So I was like, corporate America ain't for me, man. I have some buddies doing car rentals. Fixed my credit. I started buying a bunch of cars.
With all these cars, do you ever drive them?
I don't. Bro, no, I don't, man. My Lambo cost me $3.20, bro, per mile. So I'm not trying to put those miles on my car, man. Yeah, I drive something else, man. Yeah, I'm trying to get high on my own supply.
How many cars you think in here?
Man, it's got to be at least 200 cars in here. Yeah.
Go getting a job route and a corporate America route. Would you recommend that to anybody? Let's say somebody's in college right now and that's their plan.
Yeah.
What would you say to them?
I'm not knocking corporate America, but what I do say is use your 9-to-5 money to go invest in things that can create you wealth.
I appreciate you letting me look around in here too, bro. I ain't gonna hold
Hey,
you.
man, I heard you like cars, man. I think I got something for you.
What you got?
Yeah, I just got this new car, a Tesla Cybertruck.
You got a Cybertruck? I saw it. That's your joint too? I saw it sitting outside. That's
I'm
hard.
gonna gift that to you, bro. I heard you in town for a few days, man.
No
It's on
cap.
me, bro. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
love.
my man.
I
Anytime,
appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
Cybertruck is different. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, it's really made out of whatever it's made out of. Y'all, no, that's tough. I appreciate it, bro. That's hard.
Man, I figured you like this would be good content for you. I'm like, let me bless my man for coming out here.
Appreciate it,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
That's
Have
tough.
fun in it, bro.
That's tough.